Welcome back to my channel. Today is Tuesday, September 23rd, 2025, and as you can see, finally packing up my computer equipment for my old job. Just to be clear, I wasn't fired. I actually left on my own because the pay and the hours just weren't worth it for me anymore. But by God's grace, I already have another job lined up that I'll be starting soon. Now, I want to be very transparent with you all. I actually received the return slip for this computer about a week ago, but I have been procrastinating on sending it back. For me, procrastination has always been a struggle, not because not because I don't care, but because when something doesn't go smoothly, I tend to lose energy and delay. Sometimes it is school assignments, sometimes it is chores, and this time it was just sending back a simple computer. But today I prayed and I told God I don't want procrastination to control me anymore. Instead of wasting time online comparing myself to others, I have been learning and leaning into prayer. I remind myself of scriptures like Isaiah 61 verse 7, Psalm 23, and Psalm 91. I tell God, Lord, help me use this little spark of energy you have given me today, and that is what I'm doing right now, using that spark to finally get this done. I am also recording this process for myself, not to expose the company or anything like that, but just so I have proof that everything is returned in good condition. Because at the end of the day, people can be unpredictable, and I'd rather protect myself with evidence than have to argue later. So, while I'm boxing this up, I want to encourage anyone who struggles with procrastination. Don't beat yourself up. I pray God gives you strength when you beat yourself up. Pray. Ask God for strength and take even the smallest step forward. That little step matters. Well, today went by really fast. I was able to clean my room, get some chores done, and I even cooked. I was able to make some delicious beef earlier for my dad, and I didn't get to record the whole process, but I did serve him the food and he loved it. Beans is one of my dad's favorite food. Right now, I'm enjoying drinking garri with granite. If you don't know what that is, maybe next time I will show you how it is done. So, this is one of my comfort meals that I always love to take, especially at night for my eyes. While I was eating, I ended up watching Spartacus on Netflix. I was really surprised to see it on Netflix. I don't know if any of you have watched it before, but it did bring back memory when I used to sneak and watch this show. It is not for kids, but I did sneak to watch it. I was also planning to pray with Pastor Jerry Eze like I normally do, but I won't be able to tonight because I have to wake up early. So I will pray by myself or with other pastors. I just want to give God glory for today and ask Him to help me do even much better tomorrow. There are still a few tasks that I couldn't get to today, but I believe that tomorrow I will accomplish each and every one of them. Anyway, that is it for today's vlog. But before I go, I want to leave you with a little joy from my day during the week. I was able to attend a baby shower of my dad's best friend's son, who will be welcoming his first child. It was such a beautiful celebration. Now, let me say, this man is a wonderful man to my dad. He has helped my dad in many, many ways. And it was an honor attending his first grandchild. And we found out that he was going to be having a baby boy. So please enjoy this short clip from the celebration. And as you watch, don't forget to subscribe so we can continue growing together on this journey.
And how the baby looks just like Placid, think it might be a boy. Mom and dad said boy. Is that girl?
Lassie wants a girl.
Oh yeah. This is a sign. The rule of the game is they have told me what they want. Nobody knows what it is. We're gonna stick this glass in the middle, and when they reveal it, whatever color we see, that's the color of the baby. That's what the gender is. Are we excited? Are we ready? But because we don't know what the gender is, I want you all to say something to this baby. I remember when I had my last baby, everybody was saying, oh, that's going to be another boy because I had 2 boys. I didn't find out. You know what I did? I did not find out. But the lady that did the ultrasound is because you're needing a particular size, you don't need to find out. But because if you find out, indirectly you're just going to be upset with the baby. So I don't want you all to be upset. I know this is the first baby. It doesn't matter if it's a boy or a girl. But Daddy, let this baby...
If you were a boy or a girl, I'm going to love you no matter what.
Then agree to you.
The same, yeah. Promise to love this baby and care for it no matter what it is.
Now to the action. You're going to be looking at yourself. We dip this in at the count of 3. You lift it up and reveal what the baby is. Ready? Together. Looking at yourself. Looking positive. Look. Keep looking. Let's count down. 3, 2, 1.
And that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube. God bless you and see you next time. Have a blessed day, okay?
From a shy little girl, now I press record.